So where are we? We're at the play place for our daughter to play. So we are leaving BX and it is cold out. It's like, what do you think, like 28 degrees. It's cold. There's Nate and Christine. There's the little vendors. And we are off to the commissary now, guys. It is really cold and it's tomorrow it's supposed to be a snowstorm or something like that. And I'm hoping for Christmas, Santa Nate will get us a vlog camera that's wide angle so you don't just see my face all the time.
How am I supposed to pay for that?
I don't know. Santa.
What's wrong with the camera we have now?
It's not wide angle. All you see is this.
Is that really something that we need?
Maybe. Maybe. So there's the BX and we're off to the commissary and I'll show you guys our routine. So we're hoping that once a week we're going to be going to a Christmas market. So far we have been to the Heidelberg, the Kaiserslautern. We've been to the we're hoping our next couple that we want to go to are the Saarbrücken and the Rothenburg. I really want to go to the Augsburg one because I lived there as a child and I want to see it again. And just an excuse to go to Augsburg again. But yeah, oh, and a viewer, his name was like something Welsh. He said that it was St. Nick's Day where you put your shoe out and you get candy or coal depending on it, which I celebrated as a kid living here in Germany, and it was on the 5th. So next year we'll have to do that for Christine. But yeah, that was. Is that
where we saw those kids with lanterns?
No, that was in the beginning of November that we saw that. But yeah, so I thought I'd share that was a recent holiday here. Guys, look at this. They're gutting out the commissary.
That was slippery.
Okay, hold Daddy's paw. Hold Daddy's paw. Let's follow Daddy. There we go. I'm wearing my Forever 21 top because Nate says he doesn't see me wear half the clothes I own. Lebkuchens.
I would like a whole case of Lebkuchens.
That's a whole case of them?
Yeah, 41 bucks.
Oh my gosh. There's a smaller one for 27. They have Christmas. They don't even have any candy canes. Rolos. Why, Christine? Come on. What's wrong? Is it because you played too much?
Yeah.
Okay. No. None at the BX I've seen, or here.